All right, guys, today I'm going to give you a tour of my farmhouse. So let's see it. So here she is. Quite a beauty, isn't she? There's the attached single car garage. Over here to the side is where we store all of our wood for our wood burning furnace and for our wood stove and our wood fireplace. And this is farm country. I'll show you around the side here. All behind us is cornfields and hay fields, and all over to this side, which is super awesome. It's super private area. And Jeremy can hunt in the back in the cornfields, and there's always tons of deer. Show you around the side of the house. We have like kind of a wraparound deck in the backyard here. So here we have like kind of a gazebo where in the summer we have a swing, two little chairs and a table on this part of the deck. And this wraps all the way around to the back of the house. And we have a nice table set for up here as well. Our barbecue's usually kept right here, but now being winter, we have it at the front so we can just go out the front door and barbecue easily. Because it's not easy to get out the back patio doors in the winter because the snow builds up pretty good on there usually. So here's the backyard. Nice big area. All under the deck here. This is all grapevines all around the deck. So I picked them and I made grape jelly and grape cobbler last year. This tree here is an apple tree, a crab apple. I made crab apple jelly out of it as well. So let's head on inside and you guys can see what that looks like. First we'll enter in through the garage. So this is a garage. Don't expect much from it. Storage, tons of storage. We got the Jeep here that we've been working on. And right here is a hatch that goes down to the basement where I throw my wood in. So I just pop open the big garage door there, bring my wood in, and throw it down the hatch right into the basement where I can stack it and store it. So this is our mudroom. So coming in from the garage, you walk into here, our mudroom. Kind of just like a normal mudroom, a mess, you know. Charge all of our batteries and stuff right in here. All of our boots and coats. Just, you know, basically what a mudroom should be, a mess. All right, and then we enter into the main part of the house through here. So I have been doing a lot of updating on this main floor, as you guys would have seen. This is where I've stopped basically, is right here at my laundry area. So you walk in the mudroom and there's like the laundry facilities. I just recently, in a recent video, painted these shelves, which I love so much better, and this door frame. So next I'm heading to paint this door frame, which heads into a bathroom. So this is our half bath on the main floor. Just, you know, I need to replace this. So I want to get a whole new vanity, or I could paint the vanity, but I still would want to replace the sink. Like, it doesn't look that great, eh? So I would love to replace that one day, and the toilet, because they're like those old cream colored toilets. And then right here is where I just came in, the mudroom. So turning back, entering into the home. We then go into the kitchen. So the mudroom goes to the laundry room, bathroom, into the kitchen, and there's some cats inappropriately on my table, but what do you do? There we there. So this is the kitchen. And one day I plan to rip these down. When I redo the kitchen, these are coming down and all the cabinets are getting painted white, and I want to replace the countertop with a white marble looking, like laminate type one. And this backsplash here, I want to replace as well. So that's tile, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do over that, but I want to replace it. I recently just painted this window frame and took down the valance and curtains that were there. Again, all these will be painted white. The door frames in behind there will be painted white. Here's my pantry. I love having like a little pantry area. Lots of storage, so it is dated, but there's so much storage in this kitchen. I really like it. And I do love this island. I just need to get rid of that because it just looks strange. And it's only held up by these two things here. Hello, you naughty kitties. So this door here heads to the basement. There's the hallway to the front door and to the upstairs and to our living room with a fireplace. And in here is the dining room. So we recently redid this. I painted all the trim, I painted the walls black, I replaced the light fixture, painted the legs of the table white, and these double doors I painted white as well. This room was like a huge upgrade doing it. All that used to be the brown trim. Looks so much better with the black walls. It's really a lot of light in this room because of the big window. And then it opens into this piano room where there's lots of space as well and lots of light. So in here is like our sitting area when we have company. We've replaced that light fixture as well. I replaced these curtains. I painted all the trim in here, and these were big, thick, heavy, like red curtains with valances on the top, and I put a new rod and thin little curtains right here. Those two, matched them. Painted the radiator heaters at the bottom here, painted them white. They were that brown as well. Again, all the trim. There's our little cat house. That's where these two should be. Instead, they're on my kitchen table. And that walks right through to, again, that was the main door. And the stairs to go upstairs are right here. So in here is our TV room. So here's our fireplace. It's a real fireplace as well, so that's awesome. If you ever lose power, we have fire heat, wood heat on both levels. Here's our fish tank, which my cat is fishing again, I see. And this is basically just like the TV area. There's Sam's fort and Sam's play area. Here's the TV. And the reason we don't have the TV up on top of the fireplace is it would be way too high. We don't want to be sitting here in these couches and having to look all the way up there. It's just a lot more practical having it right there, even though it blocks the window. We like it. So it works for us. So coming back out of there, this is the hallway again, back to the kitchen. I love how it's all open. And then the stairs to go upstairs. I'll take you up here. So up here we have 4 bedrooms, and 2 baths. So here is the main bath, like full bath. I do plan on painting, see, like the trim here and the radiator heaters and the trim there, and then replacing this floor. It's just like a stick tile. So I'd love to replace it. So it's pretty old school in this bathroom. And I want to replace these lights one day because I'm not a big fan. As well as either I'm going to paint this or replace it completely. I really don't know yet. And then the toilet. So over right here, we'll go into Samantha's bedroom, which is the only room up here that I've done so far. I did it for her birthday. So we've painted the trim around the door. I painted her door. I painted all the trim in this room. I am going to paint her walls pink. She wants pink, so that is the next step. So there's a little desk. That used to be Jeremy's, actually, when he was a kid. Now it's hers. So these walls will be painted. So far, only the trim has been done. Oh, crap. So I also painted her doors. And there's her bunk beds with all of her toys. She's got enough of them. And we just laid down this area rug in here to make it a little more cozy for her. This is an old floor as well. It's like a stick tile floor. but she loves this carpet for playing on. So heading out of here, we'll go into the spare room right here, which we also call the hotel room. So this is the only like full carpeted room in the whole house. And we kind of like it, but I probably will rip it up one day because I'm not going to be able to paint the trim if I don't rip it up. So I'll paint it, same as Sam's room, paint these doors, all the trim. Here had like a leopard valance on the top of this window, which I removed. And it'll look so nice once I get it all painted. But that's the spare room. And over here is the office. So we also have a spare bed in here when we have more company. And it will also become a nursery when we finally get pregnant with a healthy baby that we're able to keep. The office will be moved to the basement and this will be a nursery. But right now it does the trick. Jeremy's got a little fireplace in here. He loves it. Oh dear. So again, this will all be painted, all the trim and stuff. And when we have a baby, we'll decide on the color for the walls. And in here is the master. So that's our closet. Walks out that way. Pretty awesome room. It's really big. I love it. And in here is our master bath. There I am. Hello. In here is our master bath, which is super nice to have this off the side of the house, or have this off our bedroom. Super convenient. So a lot of it is updated here. I already ripped off the border. There was a border all along the top here. And I plan on painting this room either like a white or a soft blue color. I'm going to replace that light fixture as well. It's pretty cool. All right, now back down to the basement. Down here to the dungeon. Oh, there's Mike. Hi, Mike. Hi, Mikey. One of our other kitties. Let's head down. All right, so down here is our gym. Just cement floors, which we absolutely love. Punching bag, gym and storage. This is my swing. I said that's out on the back deck. I just have it stored down here. Over here's our deep freezes for all of our meat and stuff, because we usually get half a cow every year and we store it in there. Lots of windows. We keep the blinds, like curtains on them here, because we have a theater down here as well. So there's the back door, which heads out to the basement, or heads out to the backyard. Pretty cool. Show you, and easy to get to the chickens this way. I hang all my clothes instead of using a dryer. So that's my clothes rack. My treadmill I'm on almost daily. And I just hang my clothes right here behind the couches, right by the wood stove. So here's like our projector right there's our projector, and we project it onto this wall. And it's like having a big screen TV down here. It's super cool. We love watching movies down here. So there's the wood stove. I need to throw another log in it. Over here is basically just like our hangout sitting area where we watch movies. It's a cool basement. It's just practical. We love the cement floors and like the dungeon-y feel. This baby gate we just put in front of the door here so that the kitties can't get in this room. Because we have our hot tub in here, as you'll have seen before. So this big room goes under the garage. So it's actually quite cold in here because we have the heaters turned off. There's like one vent, we have it turned off. So here's our hot tub. Love it. And then basically this room is used for tons of storage and wood. So I didn't stack my wood yet because I literally just threw it down the hatch. Right up here, show you, is a hatch that goes right into my garage. And I just pop that open and throw all the wood down here that I'm gonna need for a few days, and then stack it over there. Here I've got some canned goods. It's like my little cellar. That's maple syrup. That's jelly that I made. And in here is a pantry as well, a cold room. So we had a whole bunch of wood stored here. At the beginning of winter, we just used it all. So now as we need wood, we just throw it down the hatch. And then over here is just basically all of our storage. It's pretty cool. It's like a bonus room because it's under the garage. It's pretty awesome. Tons of storage. It's a mess, but I mean, it's just a workshop, storage, hot tub area. We plan, so here soon, we plan to build a room. See, we're going to utilize that window. We're going to get rid of this big shelf here. We're going to clean up all this storage area, and we want to build a room that goes around that window for the hot tub. So it's in its own room. So when we're in the hot tub, we're not looking out at this mess. And then we're going to paint the wall blue, so it's like you're at the beach, like with blue ocean and stuff. And put a couple lawn chairs in there. So that'll be right. So you'll walk into this room, and then you'll go into another. Then you'll go into another room for the hot tub. I think that would be so cool. I also forgot to mention that we do, once we have a baby and turn the office into a nursery, we do plan on building another bedroom downstairs here in the basement, and that'll be a spare room as well as an office. So basically the same thing it is upstairs with that single bed and the desk and everything, that will just be moved downstairs, and we'll block it off, create a room in there. We also want to put a half bath down there because a lot of times when we come in the back door and like we're dealing with the chickens or yard work or whatever, and your hands are dirty and stuff, it'd just be nice to have a bathroom to go in and wash your hands, or if you have to pee, and honestly, to just come in that back door and go pee instead of going all the way upstairs to the main floor to that bathroom at the other end of the house. So it'd be pretty sweet to have. So those are our plans for the future. Right now I'm just focusing on painting. The main floor is almost all done, all the trim, which is super awesome. Like you've seen, it's just that bathroom and mudroom on the main floor that need to be done, and then I can head upstairs. I won't do any trim in the basement or anything. Like the only plans for the basement really are like building a couple of rooms, like that extra office, bedroom, bathroom, and then the hot tub room down here. So other than that, yeah, the cement floors and stuff, so there's not really any point in like updating things. It doesn't really need it. We like the cement floors for a basement. I don't think we'd ever put down flooring. The area rugs work fine, and then the cement floors for the gym and stuff, that's all good for now. So I'm gonna stack this wood, make sure the fire is going good, and get on with my day. We'll let that get going. Be some nice flames soon, I'm sure.